Ready to turn that unwanted clutter into cash? Let's dive into selling on eBay. First things first, you need an eBay account. If you don't already have one, once logged in, head to the Sell button, usually found at the top of the page. Now, let's get specific. eBay will ask you what you're selling. Be as precise as possible. Think the exact brand, model, size, and color. This helps buyers find your item. High-quality photos are your secret weapon. Take multiple clear shots from different angles, showcasing any details or imperfections. Good lighting is key. For your title, use keywords buyers are likely to search for in the description. Be honest and detailed. Mention the item's condition, any flaws, and its features. Think like a beer. What would you want to know? Next, it's time to price it right. Research what similar items have sold for on eBay. To set a competitive but profitable price, you can choose a fixed price or an auction-style listing. Shipping is crucial. Decide if you'll offer free shipping or charge a calculated rate. Package your item securely to prevent damage during transit. Once you've filled in all the details, hit that list an item button. Congratulations, you're officially selling on eBay. Be prepared for customer inquiries. Respond promptly and politely to questions. This builds trust and leads to smoother transactions. As your items sell, carefully pack and ship them. Once shipped, upload the tracking information. After the sale, encourage buyers to leave feedback. Positive feedback will build your reputation and attract more buyers. Happy selling!